BigBeluga's Market Trend Levels Detector is an advanced indicator designed to help traders accurately recognize and visualize significant market trend changes directly on their charts. Utilizing two exponential moving averages, one fast and one slow, this tool effectively highlights critical turning points, enabling clear identification of emerging bullish and bearish trends. When the fast-moving average crosses above the slow-moving average, indicating upward momentum, the indicator automatically plots a clearly defined level at the lowest price point reached during the previous trend period. This level serves as a key support reference, marked visually on the chart for immediate recognition. Conversely, when the fast-moving average crosses below the slow-moving average, signaling a potential downtrend, the tool marks the highest price from the recent upward movement, creating a visually distinct resistance level. These trend-level lines and corresponding labels clearly communicate areas where price previously encountered significant buying or selling pressure, thus assisting traders in making informed strategic decisions. The indicator also allows customization, enabling users to adjust settings such as the lengths of the moving averages, colors of plotted lines, and the number of recent trend levels displayed. This flexibility ensures alignment with individual trading strategies and market preferences. To enhance its functionality, the Market Trend Levels Detector could integrate additional signal filters such as volatility-based or price momentum criteria, reducing false crossover signals and improving reliability in volatile market conditions. Furthermore, incorporating volume analysis could strengthen the detection of robust support and resistance levels by considering actual trading volume at these key points. Historical analysis capabilities could also be done via bar replay, allowing traders to backtest the indicator's signals over past market conditions. This feature would enable users to better understand the effectiveness and reliability of the indicator under different market scenarios and refine their strategic decision-making. While highly effective in trending markets, the Market Trend Levels Detector has limitations. In sideways or consolidating markets, the indicator may produce frequent crossover signals, leading to potential false alerts. Moreover, as the tool relies on exponential moving averages, signals might lag actual market movements, potentially resulting in delayed entries or exits. Lastly, the indicator's performance is sensitive to parameter settings, making accurate configuration critical to avoid missed opportunities or excessive false signals. Overall, BigBeluga's Market Trend Levels Detector provides traders with a practical and visually intuitive approach to identifying and utilizing key market trends, supporting both short-term and long-term trading strategies.